To create outlines on the edges of subjects quickly and easily, we can use the Pixelab application, but before creating it, we have to remove the background from the subject. The easiest way to remove the background, use the feature from the remove.bg site. To access it, you can use the installed browser. Once on the remove.bg page, select Upload Image. And then choose a photo that you want to remove the background from. Here I will remove the background from the photo capture that I will use for the character introduction video. After the photo is uploaded, the background is automatically removed. If there are still areas of the background that have not been properly erased, select Edit. From that feature, we can delete the part we want to remove. In this tutorial, I will immediately download it. After the image has been successfully downloaded, open the Pixelab application. In this default template, delete the text layer. After that, touch the plus icon at the top right. Add a photo that has had the background removed. In this photo, I will use 9:16 scale. Adjust the area so that no part of the subject is cut off. If it has been adjusted, touch the checklist icon. Adjust the scale and position. When the subject layer is selected, touch the tools icon in the middle. After that, select Stroke. Enable Stroke. Set the stroke thickness and color. If you want to choose a color based on the color template, select the plus icon. I'll use a yellow color with stroke thickness of 10 pixels. If it is set, select Checklist. To remove the background on the template, touch the background area. If nothing is selected, touch the Layers icon. After that, select Transparent. And now we can save the image by selecting the Save icon. And then, select Save as Image. In the format, make sure to use PNG. Touch Save to Gallery. And now, the subject photo file that uses an outline is stored in the gallery. That's how to quickly make an outline on a subject using the Pixelab application. Thank you for watching. See you in another video tutorial.